Hi everyone, it's Allison from Thronatiska, and we are coloring our way through the solar system. Now, times before we did the sun and we did Mercury. Now we are moving on to the second planet in the solar system, and you can remember it's the second planet by just sticking out two fingers right there, and looky there, you made a V. So that's a hint to help you remember. The second planet from the sun is Venus. So let's get our little planet drawn out there. Now these are not to scale to the sun, just a reminder there. But Venus is the second planet from the sun. It's just a little bit smaller than Earth. I always thought that Venus looked kind of like an orange creamsicle. It's really pretty looking. If you can see pictures of it, whoops, throwing my pencils there. But yeah, it does kind of remind me a bit of an orange creamsicle, and it is just a little bit smaller than Earth. It's often called Earth's sister planet just because it is so close in size. However, the atmosphere on Venus is so severe you would not want to go there. Yeah. Venus does have an extremely acidic atmosphere. It's made up of mostly sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, a lot of stuff that's just not very good for humans. And it's so thick, it's just kind of swirling around the entire planet, and it's sort of created this greenhouse effect where you have a temperature just about 880 degrees Fahrenheit over the entire planet at the same time. It's ridiculous. It is so stinking hot there all the time. So maybe Earth's sister planet, but definitely not very much like Earth in its composition. Now it is 0.73 AUs away from the sun, so 93 million miles, we remember, is 1 AU, so 0.73 of that. It does not have any moons at all. However, it has tens of thousands of volcanoes on its surface. It takes 243, let me see here. Ooh. 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, but because of something really weird about it, okay, so it takes 243 Earth days to spin around once entirely, but because it rotates backwards from the way it's moving, it takes 117 Earth days to go from one day to night cycle. So 243 Earth days to turn around completely, but to go completely from day to night on the same piece of land takes 117 Earth days. It's weird. It's hard to understand, but it's rotating backwards. Where Earth rotates west to east, Venus is actually rotating east to west. So kind of weird there. So there is Venus there. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those in the comments section of this video. And thank you so much for coloring along with me. Stick around for the next one.